Oh, hello, Josie and Isaac. I didn't see you there. Welcome to my vacation home at the Disco Den in sometimes freezing Michigan. We're so excited to show you around and for you to meet my furry kitty cat family. Why don't we go and let's... Why don't we go and see what they're up to? First, we have Honorable Obi, the wise sage of the house.
Oh, hello. Welcome to my country. I pretty much run this country. Hey, do you hear that?
Hello again. Don't I look fabulous? Next, I'd like to introduce you to the warrior of mischief, Mokizuki.
Hi, I'm Moki. I have the energy of 5 goats, and everyone here knows that truly this is my house. Also, I'm a ninja and I can speak Japanese.
短い距離に見えるけど、それを乗り越える勇気はたくさん必要だ。
Well, that's the whole gang. Until we meet again. Isaac and Josie, stay safe. Take care of your good pup, Barkley. Bye.